Giraffe does not require an entry fee just to download the app and start using its core features. If you're being asked to pay before you can begin, check exactly where that request is coming from before entering any payment details. By the end of this guide, you'll know what you normally need to start, which charges to watch for, and how to avoid confusing optional purchases with a required Giraffe fee. First, start with the official Giraffe app from your device's app store. Downloading the app and creating an account are separate from any optional purchase or subscription that may appear elsewhere in the app ecosystem. The key point is simple. Don't assume that a screen asking for payment means Giraffe requires an entry fee. App stores can display subscriptions, in-app purchases, or promotional offers, and those are different from a mandatory cost to participate. Next, check the wording on the payment screen. A genuine required charge should clearly explain what you're paying for. If the screen describes a subscription, premium feature, or optional upgrade, you don't need to treat that as the basic entry cost. Also, check the developer information on the App Store listing. This helps you confirm that you're dealing with the actual Giraffe application rather than a different app using a similar name. If someone sends you a message asking for an upfront payment in exchange for access, rewards, or a guaranteed payout, don't send money immediately. Close the message and open Giraffe directly through the app you already installed or through your device's official app store. There is another important distinction. Earning rewards and receiving a payout are different parts of the process. A payment request connected to withdrawing rewards should be checked carefully rather than assumed to be a normal entry requirement. So, the main takeaway is that you should not confuse an optional subscription or in-app purchase with a mandatory entry fee. Download Giraffe through the official App Store, review the developer information, and read any payment screen before approving a charge. Your practical next step is to check the exact screen asking you for money and identify whether it says subscription, purchase, upgrade, or something else. If this helped you understand the Giraffe entry fee question, like the video and subscribe for more Giraffe fixes and guides.